Engineers want quality products they can rely on, and they want them now. Thanks to AW Lake's new 3D CAD Configurator, engineers can customize and test free 3D CAD models directly from AW Lake's website. Let's take a look. From AW Lake's website, go to Products. Then, select Lake Variable Area Flow Meters. Choose ClearView Flow Meter, and then click Launch Configurator. On the left, you can customize your part to fit your design while the configurator builds your product on the fly. In the preview window, use your mouse to move and zoom your product to view it from any angle. When you're happy with your designed part, click CAD Download, add your email, and click the CAD Download button. Here, you can choose from over 100 file formats and versions to download your part as a native CAD file. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet that you can share with team members in the purchasing department who don't have CAD access. Click Start Download. Now, you can test that part directly in your design to get the CAD models you need faster than ever before. For more great parts, visit awlake.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn how your company can deliver the quality CAD models your customers need today.